name is Kiana.
Shut up, there's only a minute.
We were shopping.
Who's we?
Me and Sam.
Hi guys.
And the car alarm was going off, and I like it, so.
Do your gun. And do your boy. And do your boy.
Boy.
You still got 15 seconds.
What else?
Wait, 20 seconds.
What else you want me to say?
I don't know, but we're already taping this, so you might as well just make
Got
things
my
up.
pads, yeah.
Oh yeah, show your pads. Hurry up. Hurry up, 15
But
seconds.
I can't find them.
Hold on, I'll pause it. Go.
How much are these pads? Yes, got some pads, some big ass pads, and my big ass Snickers from the guy at CVS.
Say bye now.
Hey.